Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, instance-based learning. Instance-based learning or also known as lazy learning. We are also called this lazy learning because they delay processing until a new instance must be classified. So learning can be done in two ways, memory or and generalized way. So in instance-based learning techniques, simply store training examples. Instance-based learning do not create model for training instance in advance. So our learning can be done in two ways. Number one, memory, and second one is generalized way. We previously know some algorithms. When we have training and testing portion of data, in training phase we create a model and we use this model to calculate the error using testing set of data. That is known as generalization part. In instance-based learning, generalization beyond this example is postponed until a new instance is classified. When an instance arrived for testing, runs the algorithm to get the class predictions. Whenever our algorithm gets a new data, algorithm runs and to predict the classify. So instance-based learning can be done in three different categories. Number one, k nearest neighbor, radial basis, function network, and case-based learning. In instance-based learning are also known as lazy learning because they delay processing until a new instance must be classified, so the cost of the classifying a new instance is much high. So for new instance to classify, our algorithm runs again and again, so the cost of the classifying instance is much high. So now we will discuss the k nearest neighbor classifier. So our next topic is k nearest neighbor classifier or k nearest neighbor learning. K nearest neighbor learning is a supervised machine learning algorithm. So in KNN, no explicit training is required and can be used for both classification and regression purpose. So KNN is the one of the simplest algorithm used in machine learning. KNN algorithm used to use a data and classify new data point based on similarity. In this example, in the diagram, we have two different data types. One is represented as square and second is represented by circles. Now we want to predict the new data set, new instance that is represented by the star sign. Now we calculate which class this new instance belongs by using KNN. In KNN, classification is done on the basis of the majority of boards of its neighbor. The data is assigned to the class which has the most nearest neighbor. Increase the number of nearest neighbor, the value of k, the accuracy might increase. K nearest neighbor algorithm. In first step, initialize and define the k value. K means number of nearest neighbor we want to find. K equal to 3, k equal to 2, whatever be the value of k. And second step, compute the distance between the input sample and the training samples. And next step, sort the distances. And next step, take the nearest neighbor, take the k nearest neighbor. Here we found the value of k and apply the simple majority rule. This is the algorithm of k nearest neighbor. By using this algorithm, we can solve the numerical. So now we will discuss the example based on k nearest neighbor classifier. Perform k nearest neighbor classification algorithm on following dataset and predict the class for the dataset x bracket में p1 equal to 3 and p2 equal to 7. We have to, this is our new instance where k equal to 3 nearest neighbors. In the table, our training data set is given in three categories p1, p2 and class. The value of p1, there are 4 instances 1, 2, 3 and 4, 7, 7, 7, 4, 3, 4 and 1, 4, and the class represented to these parameters false, false, true and true. So by using equivalent distance, we use this formula under root xh minus h1 का whole square plus xw minus w का whole square plus up to n terms तक, where xh represent observed value and h represent the actual value. By using this formula, we can calculate the equilibrium distance. So the value of new instance is x equal to P1 equal to 3 and P2 equal to 7. We have to calculate the distance of this parameter from the training data set. So how we calculate the distance? The distance, we calculate this data set to the first training data set. The value of first training data set is 7, 7 and the value is false. Under root 3, 3 means observed value and minus 7, 7 means actual value का whole square plus h minus 7 का whole square. We calculate this value and we find the value 4. We calculate the same instance with the second training data set. 3 minus 7 का whole square plus 7 minus 4 का whole square. So the value we calculate is 5. And third step, 3 minus 3 का whole square plus 7 minus 4 का whole square under root, the value is 3. And 3 minus 1 का whole square plus 7 minus 4 का whole square under root, the value is 3.6. Now we find the first minimum value from this new instance. The value is 3. So we assign it near first nearest neighbor n1. And the value belongs to, and the class belongs to this n1 is third training data set is true. So we assign here the value true. And the second smallest value is 3.6. So we assign the n2, nearest neighbor 2. And the value from the last fourth training data set, the value is 2. So we assigned here true. And now the third nearest neighbor is, the value is 4. So we assigned here n3. And this belongs to the first training data set and the value from first data set class is false. So we assigned here the value false. Here we get 2 true value and 1 false value. 2 true value is greater than 1 false value. It means our answer is true because the new instance P of P1 equal to 3 and P2 equal to 7 will belongs to our class true. So this is our answer. So this is our second example. Apply k nearest neighbor and predict the type of food to which tomato sweet equal to 6 and crunch equal to 4 belongs. And this our training data set is given. Grapes 8, 5 and fruit type is fruit. Green bean, sweet value is 3 and crunch value is 7 and food type is vegetable. And ingredients, nuts 3, 6 and protein, orange 7, 3 and fruits. Now predict the type food. So we have mentioned the answer here. So our tomato class, so to our tomato will belongs to the class fruit. So please solve this question and submit the answer. Thank you.